Hello friends, welcome back to another video in this channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to disconnect Windows 11 from Azure AD, which is Entra ID. So without any delay, let's get started. So I have to remove this account from here, Access Oak or School. It is already joined in the Entra ID at some point, so I'm going to remove it from here. Click on disconnect. Just read the prompt here. Click on yes. Disconnect. Then you need alternate account information, which you need extra account. Now you can go and check whether you have another account or not. If you have, just put a email address and a password. It should work. But for now, I'll just go and check whether I have or not. I don't have anything right now, so I'll just create one. I'll change it back to administrator. Now we can go and try. So we have to restart our computer. So I'll just restart and come back to you. Now my device has been restarted. Let's go and check this device whether it's still unconnected on Intro ID or not. So this device was connected in Intro ID on one of the user account. Let's go and find out whether is it disconnected now or not. Accounts. So here this device was connected in Intro ID before in one user account, but now it's gone. It's been removed. So this is how you remove the device from Intro ID connected. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give a like, comment, and subscribe the channel. I will see you in another video. Thank you.